हेलो, बट मेरा आवाज़ That's what I dreamt of, you know. That's how I am. I really like to have a great party. And it's like a great party right now. So I feel good.
Então tu pega o telefone e bloqueia a tela. Vai no seu contato e procura o
क्या मेरे शीशा नहीं रखा
मेरे बिना शीशा
शीशा चल रहा है अभी भी
मेरे बिना शीशा
शीशा अभी चल रहा है
número dela.
fake love I can anytime do. Right on diet. This is what it looks like. So much mehnat, and look at this guy eating chicken tikka kebab.
So start of 2018. So we actually knew each other since end of 2016, 17. So we were like friends for about a year.
Akshay calls me one random day. He's like, "You wanna get lunch together?" I'm like, "Yeah, who all is coming?" And he's like, "No, actually, you know what? I got a job. I'm moving from here." He was moving 5 hours of flight away. And I was like, "Oh," I was like, "Congratulations." He's like, "Yeah, definitely. Let's meet."
And I think we had clicked.
We met for lunch, and his flight was supposed to be the next day. So he met me literally one day before, and we had lunch. That whole day we spent together, and then he went back home. Next day morning, he comes up to my home.
सावन छाई तेरे आंगन तेरे घन घोर ये आई लिखने अफसाने रे आगे जाएगा दुनिया से दूर कहाँ रे दिनक दिन दिनक दिन दिनक दिन रे
He cancels his flight, and he's like, "I'm gonna stay 3 more days because that's the buffer I have, and I want to spend time with you." And I'm like, "Okay, fine, whatever." We did everything in repeat the next 3 days.
भूले सब दिनक दिन चले दिनक दिन बने दिनक दिन हारे हम तो दिनक दिन किए दिनक दिन तोड़े दिनक दिन वादे कई
नीलू, we love you. बुलाओगे क्या?
ज़माने पुराने के हैं ये फसाने जहाँ इश्क जीते जहाँ जुल्म हारे कोई बेखबर है किसी का असर है तस्वुर भी सोच ये कैसा सफर है ये कैसा सफर है ये कैसा सफर है
And we had instant connection. I don't know how, I don't know what.
जहाँ
the flow. It was so easy. Everything was so easy with him. He's so funny. He's so funny. This guy is ridiculously funny. And he makes me laugh a lot. So that quality just
We met through common friends in SF. We were friends for a long time, and so the interesting bit is we actually started liking each other and we started like dating right before I moved to a different city.
दुनिया से दूर कहाँ रे तिलक दिन रे
बट अभी तक अक्षय लिखा ही नहीं है मेरे में. कितना अक्षय है? अभी टाइम है ना, बचा है. Yes, this is left.
तिनक दिन चले तिनक दिन बने तिनक दिन हारे हम तो
मेरे बिना मैंने तेरे लिए सुबह से खाना नहीं खाया. जब तक पति को नहीं देखूंगी तब तक खाना नहीं खाऊंगी. मैंने सिर्फ पानी पिया.
वीडियो कॉल कर लेती.
वीडियो कॉल हाँ दिखा दूंगा.
ये इसका मैं बदला लूंगी.
मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ अन्ना.
So I moved to the East Coast, and she was in California on the West Coast, and we had like a long distance for a considerable period of time, for about an year and a half.
संकल्प अहम करिष्ये तन्मे मनः स्थानदेवताभ्यो नमः स्थानदेवताभ्यो नमः वाणीहिरण्यगर्भाभ्यां नमः.
Akshay went to the airport and he called my brother. He and my brother were friends. He called my brother and he's like, take care of Neelam. And then we started making plans, travel. We traveled a lot together. When we were away from each other. We would make plans. We went to Vegas, we went to LA, we went everywhere, Miami. Like every camping trip, we love camping. We did so many campings together. We did so many trips together.
गणपति गजानन महाराज की जय. जन्मणवती वेदिका अनाम दुपोयम लतिका मोरिया. संपूर्ण फळ મને આપતા તેજો મારી દરેક પ્રકારની કામના પૂર્ણ કરજો.
COVID worked for us because of COVID we got the opportunity to be together, and because everything was like work from home and stuff, we were able to like stay together for a lot of time, and that actually gave us an opportunity to really learn about each other, know each other, because with long distance it is pretty much, and like I said, we started with long distance.
कौन सा साड़ी?
एक सेकंड पर ये हल्दी में तो इतने बोला तो पिंक पहना. मैं पिंक
Actually,
पहना
I'm deciding.
पर मैं पिंक पहनता हूँ.
No, you'll wear what I wear.
अरे ऐसा
ये मम्मी को
इसमें प्लीज सर पापा राजी
मैं मेरा ही पहनेगा.
इतने लैश किया सर.
Because my makeup is going to take time. Then now I don't want people telling me, bride. ready and you're still not ready. Chotu. He calls me Chotu. वो चाय वाला जो होता है ना.
He called you something else.
छोड़ो. I call him Motu.
Vamos a bailar que en la plaza está el fandango. Hay negrito, una negrita que todavía está bailando.
Cumbia muy caliente, yo la seguiré bailando. Las espermas van llorando, el brazo me va brindando. Todo el mundo va gritando, qué bueno que está el fandango, qué bueno que está el fandango. Todo el mundo va gritando.
Vamos a bailar que en la plaza está el fandango. Hay negrito, una negrita que todavía está bailando.
अरे हाँ मस्त लगा
Two sides of Neelam.
Two sides of me.
One which is humble, sanskari, very good. Other is
Or you can either just show.
the pie chart mein. It's very less. Yeah. What about swag?
Yeah.
Lot of swag.
Vaya agua para la seca, todo el mundo en patilla en la discoteca. Vaya agua para la seca, todo el mundo en patilla en la discoteca.
कहते हैं एक शानदार एंट्री. What an entry guys, क्या बात है. But before we begin with that, अक्षय नीलम, मुझे आपके बारे में ना थोड़ा सा जानना है. I am sure सबको पता होगा, लेकिन ऐसी बहुत सारी बातें हैं जो शायद नहीं पता होगी.
एक चीज़ जो नीलम के बारे में मेरे को सबसे अच्छी लगती है वो ये है कि नीलम बिना मेरे बताए समझ लेती है what's going on with me and in my life. So I don't need to tell her anything and she can understand and take care of me.
How beautiful is that यार. कितनी प्यारी बात है. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Come on. Wow. Your dreams are coming true. Congratulations.
Todo el mundo en patilla en la discoteca.
Wearing like a sari. अक्षय जी हमारे विनर हैं.
No me importa lo que de mí se diga, vive usted su vida que yo vivo la mía.
अक्षय ने मुझे आज तक कभी किसी चीज़ के लिए ना नहीं बोला. Like even when we were friends, he is always someone who's motivated me. And I needed someone who's जो बहुत अच्छा motivate करता है. Number one, that was a very good quality to have in a man. Number two, ये घर साफ रखता है.
यही घर साफ रखता है.
He does dishes. He does house cleaning. Every house, everything in the home. Every day morning he gets up at 7. He has OCD. 7 a.m. he'll get up. He'll clean everything.
ये सिलसिला है हम तुम यहाँ है, उलझन हवा में है ना, गिर ही रहा है कैसा कुआं है, वक्त अब खुदा ही है ना. भीनी भीनी सी है जो रातें रातें जो तेरी बातों पे बातें बजाए ना. ओरे भागे भागे रे मनवा माने ना माने जो तेरी यादें सो यादें सताए ना. खामोशी सहना ये नहीं जरूरी, खामोशी सहना ये नहीं जरूरी, ये सिलसिला हम तुम यहाँ है, उलझन हवा में है ना, गिर ही रहा है कैसा कुआ है, वक्त अब खुदा ही करना, आना जाना लगा रहा पर मिलना हो न सका, पर मिलना हो न सका, ये सिलसिला है हम तुम यहाँ है, उलझन हवा में है ना, गिर ही रहा है कैसा कुआ है, वक्त अब खुदा ही रहना, भीनी भीनी सी है जो रातें रातें, जो तेरी बातों पे बातें बताए ना, और भागे भागे रे मनवा माने ना माने, जो तेरी यादें सो यादें सताए ना, खामोशी सहना ये नहीं जरूरी, खामोशी सहना ये नहीं जरूरी, ये सिलसिला हम तुम यहाँ है, उलझन हवा में है ना, गिर ही रहा है कैसा कुआ है, वक्त अब खुदा ही करना,
1 2 3 कर रहा है, इसको बोलना भाई चालू करे।
संगीत थोड़ा सा वो हाइप अप होगा।
Magic System, Red One, Shawty. Comme d'habitude on est calé, comme toujours ça va aller. On te met l'ambiance à gogo, tous ensemble on fait le show. On t'invite à la
because of COVID, we were together for a long time. Neelam still had her job in the Bay Area. Mine was on the East Coast. So I looked for another job. I moved to the West Coast with her, and then post-COVID. Actually, we moved to the Bay Area right after the COVID and all of that stuff was done. So we moved to the Bay Area. Technically, we've been living together for a long time now.
ऐश्वर्यं निर्विघ्नेन शुभं भवतु शुभं भव श्रीमन्नारायण नारायण नारायण
I think my brother is very responsible. Like, he has become more brother now. You know, he understands more emotional. He's very emotional to Krish. So after that, he's become a little bit. I can blindly trust him. He doesn't have anything bad. He doesn't have any ill intentions for me. He can never have that ill intentions for me. So like, someone to trust miles and miles away is only Bhai. So that's when we had lot of like, you know, stronger bond. That's when we started like, you know, doing more things together, spending time together. He's been really good with Akshay. He's been really good with Akshay. He's been very close to Akshay. They were friends before we were.
Very grateful that both my mom and dad, they uprooted their life and everything that they had, and it impacted my sister as well. It wasn't really for her because she was pretty young at that time. It was just for me that they did all of that so that I could have a better, a more. And I think a lot of parents think about at the end of the day what sort of job their kids are going to do and so that they are successful in life. So I'm very grateful that they gave me the life that I have right now. If they wouldn't have moved, I probably wouldn't have done what I did in life academically. I may or may not have ended up where I am right now.
My mom, like, she never ever gave up on my and my brothers. You know, education, happiness, like, never made us feel, because my dad was not doing well. He was really not doing well. You will not find anyone, no mother, no daughter, no one can be her. No wife, there's no wife like her, there's no mother like her, there's no grandmother like her, there's no mother-in-law like her. Like, she's a superwoman. I don't have much words for her. But she's just been there. Amazing mother. But me and my dad are bindas. Like, you know, very risk takers, heighted. We are like, everyone will look at us as like, yeah, you're Praveen bhai needs chokri. And my family met Akshay for the first time. My mom fell in love with Akshay. Like, hands down. My mom is like, but still my mom is like, you have to do a live-in. That my mom told me, K Joe, you stay, you do you figure it out. And we did. We were in live-in for 2 years. We were staying together.
हो जा शुरू
तुन्नक ट्रक जलंधर इंजन पिस्टन बेचा ओए ओटियां बोनट क्लच प्लेटां मोके शमोके बेचा ओए
खर्चा कंट्रोल कर टैक्स भी देना
तुन्नक ट्रक जलंधर इंजन पिस्टन बेचा ओए ओटियां बोनट क्लच प्लेटां मोके शमोके बेचा ओए दुध मलाई कुक्कड़ शुक्कड़ कर कर बर्गर शर्गर ओए कमिश्नर फिर भी सलाका अंदर ओए लकी लकी ओए ओ लकी ओए ओए लकी लकी ओए ओ लकी लकी ओए ओए लकी लकी ओए लकी लकी ओए ओए लकी लकी ओए लकी लकी
I'm a thunderstorm. I like everything dhamaka. But you know what? He'll try to match my energy.
excited for the Varmala, for the Nasik door to come, for me to dance, for my entry.
Yeah, I think I'm very lucky to have someone like her, both as a friend and as a partner, who just takes care of me, just knows what to do at the right time, both from the family perspective as well, how to manage people. I think, funnily enough, not to sidetrack from this conversation, but everybody on my side of the family and her side of the family, they are like Neelam ki shaadi hai. We have been, like I said, we've been living together for a long time, but we never really, as a matter of fact, funnily enough, even in our like work circle, we still call each other like she's my fiance and he's my fiance. We still have that thing in our head where we are still not married. Even though they were, we did that, like the thing in the US, and we actually had the ring ceremony and everything. But I think psychologically, once the wedding is done, I think there will be that change in shift. I'm pretty sure the daily life would be pretty much the same. To be honest, it doesn't really change that. But I think psychologically, I think we'll start considering each other like husband and wife.
बरसन लागी आंगन बूंदियन मन मोरा छटपटाए.
Everything backing me up and being there support wise, like अरे हो जाएगा and all that. He does that, so he's my pillar and I'm like, I am the front face. Everyone thinks that everything that is happening is me. It's not just me. It's because he's right behind me. Otherwise I can't stand this tall.
आज मलंग नू सवरन दे, खुशियों दा पानी बरसन दे. आज मलंग नू सवरन दे, खुशियों दा पानी बरसन दे. बरसन लागी आंगन बूंदियन मन मोरा छटपटाए.
everyone tells me, yaar, this guy is, he knows also. I tell him all the time, he's the perfect guy, he's a perfect brother, he's a perfect son, he's been a perfect husband, we've been married. This is our Indian wedding. He's perfect at everything.
आके सबर से खड़ी है उम्मीदें पलकों को अपने झुकाए
And I just want to tell him, you know, I love you. I'll be there for you. We'll make harder decisions together.
है तमन्ना यही मेरी आखिरी तेरे पहलू में जिंदड़ी बिताए सजिया नैनन बिच दरस
Don't worry. We'll do it together. हो जाएगा. कर ले. सब हो जाएगा.
आज मलंग नो सब रन दे खुशियों दा पानी बरसन दे आज मलंग नो सब रन दे खुशियों दा पानी बरसन दे बरसन लागी आंगन बूंदियन मन मोरा छटपटाए
I was a totally different person in a lot of like things. She has made me a much better person than I am right now.
खुशियों की बंजर जमीनों पे आओ दो चार मुस्कान बो दे अश्कों से सींचे जुदाई की फसलें तन्हाई में इतना रो दे सब इतना तो रखना पड़ेगा मुझे दर्द उठे तो लब मुस्कुराए
But yeah, it's amazing. We love each other. I love him. So much.
आज मलंग नू सब रन दे खुशियों दा पानी बरसन दे आज मलंग नू सब रन दे खुशियों दा पानी बरसन दे
That's one, I think, promise slash confession slash message that I would want to, and this is not something that I would want to tell her, because I know she feels that. I think she wouldn't be surprised when she hears this, that I need to be a lot more loving the way she wants things to be.
Leave. Yes.
Family, then I'll come. He's seriously doing it. And then you put it in the Sangeet in front of everyone. आप ही आ रहे भैया.
For a minute only. No?
I just give him my carry and I leave.
अगर FN कोई ना गैस ना SMX के पास से नहीं हटे ना तो खाली बोलना अंदर जलेगा थोड़ा ज़्यादा जलेगा कुछ ऐसे हार्म नहीं होगा स्किन पे थोड़े ना आपको मार्क्स वाक्स आएंगे बस दैट्स इट अपने आप गैस पीछे भाग जाएगा नहीं तो SFX से हटेगा नहीं
फिर से अच्छा है ब्लर भाई आकाश कौन है वो टोल वाला
बताइए सर ये उनके नए घर में हनीमून मनाने के लिए जाने वाले हैं
Very funny.
अभी तो सर
हमारे पास बहुत सारे हैं मैंने जान एक हफ्ता पहले वाले सॉन्ग लिए बाय आप
आ गया लोग उधर अरे क्या बात है
मैं आपको थोड़ा खिलाती हूँ ना. मेरा आइटम कौन सा आइटम? टुगेदर ना?
फोटो आ गया किस पे?
नहीं, let's take one here. इसको बहुत बेटर किया है.
ज़्यादा हो गया.
Yes, please.
मैडम टिशू प्राउड ऑफ यू
कोरी कादा ओठ मारा पमरोना रे.
गाना बंद हो गया. को बोलना भाई चालू करे. मेरी आएगी तब सब दहेज में.
मैडम से तो बॉस से तो मिली.